We will get to know 5 hot tips to back up and restore text messages on Android phones. Tip 1. Back up and restore text messages on Android via Android Backup and Restore. If you want to create a backup of your SMS on a computer and restore it to any Android device, please don't miss Mobican Backup Manager for Android. How to back up text messages on Android via Android Backup and Restore. Install program. Connect Android via USB. Enable USB debugging. Detect phone. Choose Backup. Select Messages. Pick Computer Location. Click Backup to save and manage Android messages. Tip 2. Backup Android SMS messages to Google Drive and restore them. With the built-in Google Drive backup, you have the ability to back up and restore your files like SMS, app data, contacts, device settings, and call history. Tip 3. Backup text messages on Android and restore them via SD card. To back up Android messages locally on an SD card, you probably need to install the Backup and Restore app, but it is not necessary for devices like Techno and Infinix. Tip 4. Back up and restore messages on Android via SMS Backup and Restore. As a robust SMS backup tool, SMS Backup and Restore gives you another easy option to set a backup of your phone for flexible restore. Where is SMS Backup and Restore? You can get it from Google Play. Tip 5. Save and restores or SMS messages on Android with SMS Backup Plus. To use Sims Backup Plus, you have to enable IMAP access for the Gmail account. You can do it by logging into your Google account. Proceed to Settings, Forwarding and POP or IMAP. Turn on IMAP access. OK.